So I didn't know this, but for all you tall people out there, if you ever have a shower head that's too low for you, you can go buy one of these. I don't know what they're called. The shower head fixture. You can get an S bar that'll go out here up and curl. So then instead of me having to do this to get my hair wet, it becomes a boo for me. That's my mic. That's too much cringe. But seriously, I can get a link here and my shower head can actually be above me. And I won't have to duck underneath to get wet. So yeah. But I'm 6'5". This is like, I don't know, except for someone who's like 5'10". Even that'd be too short for them. So I'm gonna go get a new pipe or what, the S bar link, whatever, new shower head, because I want one of them big ass. I want one of them big ones that you can stand under. It's like raining. So yeah, I'll be back with that, and we're gonna change it out. And we're back from Home Depot. That's good for it. Get everything out. Get that shit out of here. Got a new shower head. Got the S-bar shower arm for tall people. So yeah, let's get this all assembled. All that gonna go right there.
Just have a adjustable wrench here just to get it started.
Have your adjustable wrench get started. Gross. Check.
Now the shower arm, you can either try and just with your hand rotate it, or you can take a screwdriver and stick it in there for some leverage. And then just like that, unwind it. And there you go.
Shower arm with your hand. I'm afraid we're gonna need the screwdriver. Okay, screwdriver for leverage. Oh God. Hey, he wasn't playing. Okay, that's coming out nicely. Unwind it. The old shower arm is out.
You can see it's, not in great condition.
And you can see mine's in quite poor condition. Actually, really not that bad. His was much worse, but that's where the new one be going, baby.
And this flange it's like cheap tin metal.
You can see this flange is cheap tin metal.
Where the flange we'll be using, it's solid. It's pretty solid.
The flange we'll be using, I'm not sure. I think it's also cheap, but work with what we got.
Taking the shower arm and sliding the flange over.
Take the shower arm, slide the flange over it. Oh, wow. Good grief. Like so.
Threading it on this way, all right, clockwise. So we want to wrap the Teflon tape this clockwise as well so it doesn't unwind.
Put the Teflon tape on clockwise. Don't forget that. Very important.
Definitely go heavy on the tape.
Okay. Definitely go heavy on the tape, he says. Okay. Heavy on the tape.
While you're at it, you can also do this side.
While you're at it, do the other side.
So both sides nice and coated there.
Now both sides have been taped.
Pop back up. Pretty tall shower.
I'll bag up. Pretty short shower.
Line it up with the threads.
Line it up with the threads. Start twisting.
You get it here, you get it nice and snug. You just, one more time. And just get it nice and squared up.
Once you feel getting nice and snug, you go one more time. Ugh. Might be able to get another, can't we? There she blows. Uh-huh. I think that's nice and square. That ain't going nowhere.
Get the flange nice and square.
My flange is nice and square. Oh, it's going nowhere. Alright. He left me hanging on the shower head, but I'm assuming it goes something like this. Line your threads up. Get to twisting. I guess. Eventually. Oh boy. That's gonna take some twisting, I tell you what. I'm gonna need that wrench early. We don't want to scratch that. That's locked. Now we get it twisting. That feels pretty snug.
You've gone from this to this.
We've gone from that to this. That's pretty good. Try it now. Hey, no leak. I ain't gonna lie to you and tell you that I got it first try, but there it goes. Woo. All right, everybody. That's just DIY for you. It may not be perfect, but it save you some money, and at the end of the day, it works. There you go. That wasn't too bad. Now I don't have to duck in the shower to get my hair wet. Look at that. Pretty dang nice. Dude, I can't wait to take my first shower with this. It's gonna be wonderful. I've been ducking for the last 12 years now, because I was 6'1" at 16, and now I'm 6'5", so this is gonna be awesome. Just a couple things I'd like to add before I let you go. Overall, a plumber on average would charge between $150 to $300 for a new shower head installation. So I'll meet you in the middle. Say we save $225 on this DIY project. Thank you to the Showerhead store for putting out this video and making this installation process easy for me. I'll be sure to put the original video link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.